So this is the user area for the website. As you can see in services, it has PIA, recharge, cash out, records, teams, commissions, running stock, apps, etc. And in the stock market, there are a number of stocks that we can buy and we can earn commission over them. And in the collect option, we are going to collect all of our commissions. And here is the spin. And I believe that here we can earn extra diamonds. And here is the settings in which we can update the withdrawal wallet, withdrawal password, account password, and we can also contact with the customer service. So for creating the website, we need to log in into the cPanel and then scroll down to select the file manager option. Once that's loaded, we need to go to the public_HTML folder and click on upload. Once we do that, we are going to select the script file and upload that. As you can see, the script file is a bit larger in size, so let's wait for it to upload. Now when your file has been uploaded, you need to click on go back. And now you're going to extract this zip file. Now once that's extracted, you need to click on close. And now we're going to open the domain in a new URL. As you can see, the web page has loaded, but this preloader that is loading, it is not stopping. So let's fix it. To do that, we're going to type /code/install. And now we go to the installer of this website. Now I will click on I agree. And now we need to fulfill these requirements in order to get started with our website. So let's go to the Bootstrap cache folder. Inside the public_HTML, we need to go to the code and then we're going to select core, and now we're going to select Bootstrap, and after that cache. And this is the folder that we need to change the permissions for, and we're going to select 0777. And now let's refresh to see if the site updates the changes. And we are going to do the similar for storage/app, storage/framework, and storage/logs. And now once we have done that, we're going to hit recheck. And as you can see, all requirements have been checked past. So let's continue to the next step. And now we're going to enter the URL of our website, and then we're going to enter the database credentials and also the admin credentials. And to create the database, we're going to scroll down in the cPanel. Now we're going to click on MySQL databases. And now we are going to create a new database. So let's give it a random name and hit create database. And as you can see, the database has been added. So let's click on go back. And now we are going to give the same name as the username, and we're going to use the password generator to generate a secure password. And now we're going to click on create user. So once the user has been created, we need to click on go back. And now we're going to link the database with the database user. So to do that, we're going to scroll down and we're going to click on add user to database and click on add. And now we're going to select all privileges, and scrolling down we'll click on make changes. And once that's done, we're going to enter these database credentials into the installer page. And once we have entered all the credentials, we are going to click on install now. And as you can see, it says your system has been successfully installed, and it also says valid license. So let's go to the website and activate. And now it's going to ask me for the license activation, and to do that I'm going to paste my purchase code and click on verify. And now let's click on verify. And as you can see, the license has been activated and my website is ready. So this is the interface of the login, and this is the interface for sign up. And now I'm going to show you the admin panel and also the user side. So this is the admin login. So let's log in with the admin login that we set during the installation. Now I'm going to click on login. And as you can see, this is the admin panel of the website. This is the dashboard for that. Now I'm going to add this cron job that they will ask me to do. So let's click on copy cron URL. And now I'm going to go back to cPanel and I'm going to search for cron jobs. And now let's click on cron job. And now we're going to scroll down and add this as a command. And we're going to select in the common settings once per 5 minutes. And now let's click on add new cron job. And as you can see, cPanel has successfully added the cron job. So that is all that we need to set up for this website. So let me show you the user side. So this is the user area for the website. As you can see, in services it has PIA, recharge, cash out, records, teams, commissions, running stock, apps, etc. And in the stock market there are a number of stocks that we can buy and we can earn commission over them. And in the collect option, we are going to collect all of our commissions. And here is the spin, and I believe that here we can earn extra diamonds. And here is the settings in which we can update the withdrawal wallet, withdrawal password, account password, and we can also contact with the customer service. So that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, then please consider giving this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, it's Allah Hafiz.